Did you know? Geese are known for their strong family bonds and often mate for life. Once a pair of geese forms a bond, they usually stay together throughout their lives, raising their goslings as a team. Both parents are highly protective and involved in caring for their young, which stay with the family group until they are ready to migrate. Even during migration, families stick together within the larger flock, with young geese learning the migratory routes from their parents. This strong sense of family and loyalty is a key aspect of goose behavior, contributing to their survival and success in the wild. Please like, share, and subscribe.